Do you have anxiety? How do you treat anxiety disorders? Don't worry. There are many ways to treat anxiety. People should work with their doctor to choose the treatment that is best for them. If you're looking for a professional and qualified doctor to work out a treatment, plan for yourself. You can find doctors online who can help you. 3 ways to treat anxiety. Psychotherapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, medication. Psychotherapy. Psychotherapy or talk therapy can help people with anxiety disorders. To be effective, psychotherapy must be directed at the person's specific anxieties and tailored to his or her needs. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, teaches people how to change their way of thinking, behaving, and reacting to certain objects and situations that might trigger their anxiety. Medication. Sometimes psychologists prescribe psychiatric medications can give prescriptions as well. Some medicines that may be prescribed are anti-anxiety medications, antidepressants, B-blockers. Stay healthy. Other alternative therapies, medications, vitamins, and supplements can be tested too, but consult with your doctor before you try anything as it may affect your treatment. For more information on mental health conditions like depression, please visit www.mylifedoctors.com.